This is John Black, Super Chemist. Just showing a few things that I have that I used to be into electronics. There's some pieces and stuff in there, but mainly I want you to see this. It's refurbished. But what it is, I don't, probably doesn't even have good batteries in it right now, but that's basically a handheld, I don't know what they call them, but it's the thing where you can connect up AC and DC, and it'll show you a sine wave for the voltage, amps, whatever. It does a million things. I wish I was still into electronics. I got some BS stuff here, you know, lights, there's a switch. I don't know if you can see that. There's some wires and connectors. You know, roach clips, whatever you call them, alligator clips, little wires and stuff. I threw a lot of stuff away because I'm trying to not be a hoarder. Yeah, just got a little doodad thingies. This has a bulb on it. You know, you can put a bulb in it. Got a little transformer there. Some diodes or something. I don't know. I can't focus because I got my contacts in, so I can't see anything close. Microphone, earphones, or whatever. Got a couple of these. They're just basically meters, amp meters. See, it's nice, brand new. It's got the dial thing where it goes back and forth. And I got a bunch of these. I didn't have the heart to throw them out. They're different size conductors. Although some of them are coming apart, maybe I should just toss them out. But it took so long to get them on there. Now I got smaller ones, different sizes or whatever. I just didn't have the heart to throw them out. It took, especially these. These took a long time to line them up. And I got some more resistors or whatever. And I got these two kits. These are basically for little kids or whatever, but they're great. Like this one, you can put a speaker on it, and you plug your stuff into these holes. Same with that. And I got two kits where you got the, you got different stuff on here. You got an inductor, you got rheostat, you know, digital display, speaker, all kinds of stuff. Capacitors down here of different capacities and resistors and etc. etc. And then it comes with a book. Then I got a second one, even kind of better. I don't know if you can see it or not, focus in or whatever, but it's the same thing. Got little things on here, switches and rheostats and whatever, capacitors, resistors. You can make little you know, circuits and stuff to practice, see what works with what, you know, when you put them in series, when you put them in parallel, etc., etc. Here's a couple toys I have. I guess it's for Boyle's Law, if you know what Boyle's Law is. You can see inside there, there's like a tube. It'd be like kind of one of them syringe type deals. This comes up and you can put air in there. You can drop stuff at certain heights and then you can see how much it moved on here, and you can do Boyle's Law. You know, how much pressure did it take, did you put on it to move it, you know what I mean? Do different little experiments like that. There's another one, it's the same kind. What's this one? I guess one's a wind turbine. Like these couple of toys, I never even took them out of the box for it. But you build, oh, I didn't even know there was a meter in there. There's an electric meter and a bunch of stuff to build a, you know, a windmill, do experiments on it. this. Which if you're into chemistry, you got to get this. You know, there's a hydrogen and carbon. There's the other atoms, and then you got sticks to put them stick and ball. So you can, especially when you're doing like stereo optical isomers, these or sugars, or any big complex molecule that has a lot of optical isomerization. This is great. You know, if we're learning our conformations, you know, you want to learn your conformations. That is great because you can see. You know what I mean? You don't have to look at different diagrams. You can see exactly what's going on. When I got this, conformations were stupid after that because I was like, what the heck? I can see. It's so obvious, duh. But on paper, when you're, you know, conformation is going from one conformation to another. You know what I mean? So it's moving the molecule, and so they'll draw a diagram here where it's in one shape, and then they'll draw another diagram and show it moves slightly moved here, slightly moved here, slightly moved here, slightly moved here. It's hard to visualize it though. As soon as you get this, bam, it's visualized. So this is just a universal battery charger, like for D battery, C, you know, double A, triple A, put them in to recharge it. But this is a good item for like to get some DC, you know, for electrolysis or whatever. I've never used it because I got the other thing, but there's some more stuff I got. You can see I got, looks like an alternator. I got here some heat sinks. Looks like that's from a microwave. Get some stuff so I can save, so I can have capacitors and, you know, a little scrap yard here. That's an alternator or something. Got some more stuff there. Got a transformer. I have a big transformer there. Stuff back here. I got the fan, electric thing for fuses and stuff. Coils. Transformer again. And I got this. This is a DC thing. I can get up to 3 amps. And I think 30 volts. But it's perfect DC, you know what I mean? It's not crap DC. Let's see what else I got here. I got all kinds of a little thicker. See all kinds of, basically all the thing there's different sizes. I got those things you can, they're like plastics, you can put your around your wires when you connect them together. Let's see what else I got. Connectors and stuff. Some more different smaller types of wires. Transformer. This transformer I actually made myself, but it's in pieces now. You can see, I don't know where the top of it is. Oh, here it is. Of course, it needs rewrapped and stuff. But boy, that thing hum when it goes off when I use it. It's some high voltage, let me tell you. And I got some more, just different wires and stuff. And that's about it. I mean, I got a lot of electrical stuff for like the house, you know, crimping tools and stuff like that. Meters, but they're upstairs. Anyways, I just wanted to let you see, because most of the stuff I'm putting in storage, trying not to be a hoarder. I actually have my whole basement filled up with crap TVs and microwaves and all kinds of crap just for spare parts. But I'm doing it and putting everything into the channel, so this I know I'm not going to be using any of this stuff really. Anyways, y'all have a good day, and always remember, science is great. That's nothing great. I just thought it looked wild. It's a big chunk of MnO2, manganese dioxide. It's actually the purest I've ever had. That is like a big chunk. Anyways, everyone have a great day. Always remember, science is great.